It was just me and Dad decorating this year. Krista came over and put about 5 bulbs on the tree. And then we made ornaments for Christmas presents. And she made her mom a wreath. That was really pretty. Out of toilet paper rolls. We had green paint from head to toe. Okay. There's your dad in Dr. Pepper pants.
Eating cake.
Eating cake. He made cake. We're supposed to be on a diet, but that's not working out so good. Both getting fat. What kind of cake is it?
Almond.
Almond? Oh, Chef Allen.